Okay, let's see that. Okay, basic overview I am giving. First, before going to the SAP ERP, okay, SAP ERP, first you have to know, okay, 2, 3 points about, okay, about databases. Okay, first, before going to the ERP, first you have to know the database. Okay, database. Anybody can define now. What is database in this in this batch? Okay, anybody can define what is database. First, you have to know that what is database.
Database nothing but where we are going to store our daily day-to-day
Daily
transactions.
data. Okay, simple definition, storage. If you want like more, okay, more definition, the date that means collection of the data. Collection of the okay, collection of structured data or unstructured data, whatever it is. Structured data or unstructured data. Unstructured also means films, movies, photos, everything. That also we can collect it. Okay, data stored, okay, stored, okay, in DBMS we can call database management system. Database, okay, management system. Management system. That is means in one electronic chip, like we can call that is only electron memory card we can call. Okay, memory card. Okay, we can call memory card. That is in our mobile, whatever the memory card is there, that memory card I can call database. For simple definition, okay, just to explain that is storage. Storage. Okay, collection of structured data. But if you are going to collect this structured data, okay, we need another definition is collection of database table. Another definition is okay. Anybody facing issues here? I think we are sending some chart. Yes, 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 that is here now, Mr. Nagendra. Nagendra Prasad. Actually, are you here, Nagendra? Nagendra, is there? Huh? See, Nagendra, okay, that is 9:30 batch. See now, already started batch. Started means 2 classes are over. Who are working for them, I will conduct the 9:30 means for them I will take it back up today and tomorrow and even Sunday also I will conduct if you need. Okay, need that backup. The Monday onwards I will continue. The Monday onwards I will continue. That is the 9:30 batch. Today I will hold for them and whatever the 2 sessions, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, Wednesday and Thursday, whatever 2 classes I took for them, that particular okay timing, those I will cover tomorrow, today and tomorrow. Once if I cover it, they can join 9:30 batch. But this is demo, that is class, direct class. Okay, first see this demo session and recording session they will share to you. After that, you can join. Okay, that is two options you have. One is the morning 8 to 9 a.m. That is okay, 8 to 9 a.m. Okay, who answer? Then otherwise for employees already enrolled. Okay, this is not demo. This is direct class. Okay, already enrolled that class. Okay, 9:30 to 10:30. That is a class timing. Okay, already MM S4 HANA MM with query only. S4 HANA MM query that I started. Okay, I started. If who needs, okay, they can also join. Like otherwise, okay, if according to your flexibility, sir, I'm working in first shift. Okay, join in the morning. I'm working in second shift. Joining in the evening. Morning shift means evening. Evening shift means morning. That also I will allow based on that. But parallelly, these courses will go. Like I'm starting now. I started last class. Okay, last class. The same timing only it will go. Okay, same timing. That's why you just decide it that batch timings. Okay, batch timings. But by the end of the course, you have to be comfortable with the your subject. Collection of okay, database tables. Collection of database tables. That we can call database. Okay, that we can call database. Next. What is exactly meaning of database table means? What is database table?
A combination of rows and columns.
Okay, data in the form of rows and
Structured format.
a structured format. Columns. Data in the form of rows and columns. That we can call. This is, I think, something. Okay, I'll go with it. Okay. Okay, rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns means whatever the data you'll store it. Like example, material number. Okay, material number, material name, the plant, the plant, the plant. This is the data. Material M1, M2, M3, so on. So material number data will enter here. This is I can call row 1, row 2, row 3. R1, R2, R3 means records. Column 1, column 2, column 3. These are all we can call columns. Data in the form of structured format in the form of rows and columns. Okay, this is I am calling data. Data is nothing but information here. Okay, data is nothing but information. Okay, we are going to work with the as a SAP MM consultant. Okay, as a S4HANA consultant, we are going to work with this type of database tables. Okay, this type of database. There are so many tables are there. Okay, more than 1 lakh database tables are there. All these 1 lakh database tables we are working. Okay, working. Okay, this is 1 second. Let me open one more file. That is about database. Okay, I think something. Okay, data, database, database table, and data I discussed. What is ERP?
Enterprise resource planning.
Enterprise resource
Planning.
Enterprise
planning.
resources and planning. Okay, enterprise resources. Okay, planning. Okay, enterprise means
Company.
Organization.
organization. Okay, or organization. Means if you want, okay, say now in any organization we have the some resources, material,
Money.
money,
Manpower.
manpower. Okay,
Machinery.
machinery. Okay, how the services, how we are going to serve. Utilization of these services, if you use properly these resources, this company will get profits. If you use properly, this company will get profits. How will utilize? How will utilize this one? By
Using your SAP software.
proper planning. Using any product, any ERP, not only SAP. Okay, here ERP is the one software. Okay, software. This is to maintain different data. To maintain different data. What is meaning of different data means? Like material data, money, implies machines data, services data. Will use this particular software, and as well as to integrate the data. Okay, to integrate the data, meaning not only to maintain, to integrate data also we can use it. Okay, to integrate the data also we can use it. Okay, that we will call ERP. That we will call ERP. Under that, SAP is the one product. Oracle is the one product. PeopleSoft is the one product. Okay, Ramco is one product. Navision is one product. Okay, they divided softwares like that. Okay, but there are some other products also we have. Along with this ERP product, there are some cloud-based products also we have. Okay, cloud ERP products. Those all are like Workday, and as well as okay, Info. Very less in market in India, US, UK. There is a market for this, and even SAP, SFO. Like that, there are some other. Okay, we have. Yeah. Okay. What is the main difference between the cloud and as well as non-cloud means? Non-cloud means physical software. Okay, whatever the course you are learning, that course is SAP. Okay, SAP S4 HANA, okay, HANA MM with theory, okay, with theory concept. It is purely physical database. Okay, physical databases. Meaning you no need to install in your laptop. Okay, our okay, institute will provide the access. Then whatever the data you are going to store, it will be stored in physically in our okay, institute servers. Okay, institute servers. That we can call physically. But what about the cloud means? If you enter the data in cloud, okay, let's see. Where it is. Okay, this is the cloud. The cloud only web link you can access. Only web link means you can access the web link and you can your company ID if you enter it, then they will provide the access. Here, whatever the data you will store in this success factor, the data, that data will be stored in US and UK and those particular cloud servers. We don't have any authorizations. You cannot delete, you cannot okay, do its immediate changes. But our servers, whatever our servers, institute servers, okay, our institute servers, okay, this is our institute server, okay, okay. In this server, what is the advantage? Here, once if I open this one, this server data you can access anytime, even you can modify anytime, you can edit the data, you can delete the data, you can copy the data, anytime you can do it, whatever the changes you want. Okay, okay, let's see the system. Okay, this is our company system. Okay, example, one plant if I want to create it. Okay, SAP has given, this is the code, this is a code, this one, physical software, this is, why means, because this is an, this server is installed in our company or institute premises. Okay, they have the access, they have the access and they are providing this access to the students. For each user, for each student, they will get one separate user. Based on that, they have to log in their users. Once if they log in, this whatever the data you will store day to day, the day to day sessions, the data will be, where is data? Okay, I think so. Okay, whatever the data you'll store, that data will be stored in our company institute server only, our institute server. That server data I can call physical installations. This server I can call, the server whatever you can call physical installations. Okay, physical. Now that server name, that's one physical database only you are learning. That course name is SAP S4 HANA with Fieri. In HANA MM with the Fieri concepts. Meaning most of the student they will learn only S4 HANA MM outside. They'll put it in their resume only outside with particular S4 HANA MM only. But now in market, totally changed now market. In LinkedIn also you can check it, your profile, if you are already updated. Okay, means any SAP job, if you check it in this particular one, okay, LinkedIn. Okay, this is SAP. Okay, then you see this one, okay, SAP related jobs. All they will ask directly with the S4 HANA, with the S4 HANA, okay. Theory only they will ask. Sorry. Why it is SAP S4 HANA MM. Then specify clearly with the theory concepts. Okay, with theory. Okay, with HANA. HANA is compulsory. HANA is compulsory. Means okay, the HANA is compulsory. With HANA migrations, with end-to-end implementations. Okay, the last value with the SAP is a cloud roadmap they are asking, but that is a name called Fieri. Okay, one more name called query. Okay. I'll give that particular detail also, no problem. In the resume itself, they are asking compulsory with the Fiori apps. Okay, with the Fiori apps, they are asking that if you are not going to specify the Fiori apps, they are not considering your profile first. Okay, they are not considering the profile. But our okay, and then whatever the course I am giving for the our institute, that with the Fiori apps related output also, I am going to show clearly with this particular one. Okay, with that. First, what exactly this SAP? SAP, it is a German product. Okay, SAP is a German product. Okay. Under SAP product, we have almost 45 modules are there. Okay. 45 modules in SAP. Under that, you are learning only S4 HANA MM related. Okay, that is only one module. Okay. It is developed in 1972 year. These all points I will give you in class, running class. But final aim, I am explaining what is it. Under that, our module name is S4 HANA. Our module name is S4 HANA server. This is the latest one. Here we have 2 points are there. One is HANA, another one is S4 HANA. S4 HANA is nothing but an application. S4 HANA is nothing but an application. What is application means? MM is one application. SD is one application. FICO is one application. Like that, we will call S4 HANA apps. S4 HANA means S is nothing but a business suite. Suite. SUIT, suite or business suite. 4 is nothing but a fourth generation. Fourth generation. HANA means high high performance analytical appliances. High performance analytical appliances. Okay, appliances. That is the acronym for this particular, okay, S4 HANA. Okay, why they created this acronym is in old system, ECC MM was there, the separate before. Okay, it is outdating by 2027. In this server, if data, like example, if it is huge data, 100 crore data, it is there. If you run one report, example I am giving. Okay, it used to take minimum 30 minutes. Example, the same 100 crore data in S4 HANA, if you run on 100 crore data, okay, 100 crore data, the server architecture is totally different. Then it will work on okay, within 1 minute. Okay, within 1 minute. Okay, where is 30 minutes? Where is 1 minute? Meaning here, performance is increased. Performance is increased in this particular servers. Why this is increased means because server name only high performance. Server name only high performance. Here, whenever this particular server they used here, okay, that concept name only we can call this concept name HANA server concept name we can call in memory data concept they used. In memory database concept. In memory database concept. But in this old server, that is not in-memory database, that is normal database concept they used. Here, whenever you use in-memory database concept, performance of the servers will be high. Performance is high. That's why okay, most of the servers are migrating nowadays with the S4 HANA system only. Instead of old servers to the okay, new servers, they are migrating okay, because of the performance and running this particular reports. That is about the S4 HANA. But there are so many points are there. What is in memory? That point also I'll discuss now. Yeah. Now traditional databases, old databases, okay, data will be placed in database. Normally this is database. Here user will enter here. User. This is application server. Whenever user will enter the data here, it is used to go to the application server. It is used to hit the database. Then database to it will transfer to the application. Finally, it will transfer to the presentation. This is the flow. This is the flow in old server. Coming to this server, coming to this server, this is database. This is application server. application server, we can call memory. This is user screen, GUI, graphical user interface. Now in database example, 100 crore data is there here. This is I am calling data. This 100 crore data I'll create as one memory. In memory, 100 crore data I will copy paste. This data I'll put it here. This is only I am calling in memory data concept. Not you are doing. This is done by the basis consultant. We are working only as a functional consultant. Without coding, we are working. Okay, this is okay. This 100 crore data, I'll keep it. That if you keep it in memory, that concept only in memory database. What is the use? Anybody? Anybody is having any database knowledge in this batch? Anybody? Nagaraja, John, Kishore, Nayani, Praveen. Anybody is having any database knowledge? Lakshmi, Mamata, Vinod, Erana, Satish. Any database knowledge? Okay, no problem. If you don't have the database knowledge, okay, I'll discuss it. Now, okay, normally database means storage. I told you already discussed. I discussed that point. Database is nothing but storage. Which data storage? Whatever data is structured or is unstructured or it is any type of mixed structured data, any type of data, it will be stored in database only. But in coming to the HANA database, that may, okay, because of performance, what we are doing here, whenever user will enter the data, here. This data will be stored in only in memory only first. Normally here what is happening? Here you are going to hit the presentation, then it is moving to the application, then it will save here database. Then it will apply, it will send to the application, then it will send to the presentation. But here the data is moving to only presentation to application only. Here it will save here. Okay, then it will be send one message. Okay, this is saved. It will show message. It is saved in a database. But it is not database. What about this database? Now, what system will do it? Whenever this particular request will saved here, the data will update every 3 seconds. Every 3 seconds, it will update in database also. Finally, it will be stored here also. Finally, it will be stored here. This is permanent data. This is permanent. This is the memory data. Memory data means if memory will crash, all data will be crashed. If your system is abrupt failure, if it is failure, immediately memory will be failure. Full memory will be lost. But database is safety. Okay, database is safety. Okay, that we will call in-memory database because of performance purpose. Now, whenever you are running report, system won't go to the directly to the database like this. It will go to the only presentation to application, application to presentation only. Then performance of the system is high in memory database. Okay, memory database. Everyone is clear now this point? Any doubt here? Students? Any doubt? One by one. Anybody is having any doubt? John? Nayani? Mamata?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Praveen? Lakshmi? Okay. Like this type of all practical related things. Okay, I'll show it. Okay, then still we have the other name also there. S4HANA MM. MM means I told you that is there are different names we have. Material management. Okay, material management. And or we can call sourcing and procurement. Sourcing and procurement. Okay. Or P2P cycle. There are different names we have. That also. Next, one more. What is Fieri? Okay, Fieri is nothing but a links. Okay, Fieri is nothing but a links. That link means web link. Okay, web link. Okay, for end users, these links we will provide it because end user can maintain their data through mobile, through laptop, or desktops or tablet. Any type of screens they can open. That is the main difference between the normal screen and Fieri screens. Now, for your course is designed based on the both. Okay, based on the both. Means I am going to show the normal GUI screen along with the Fury screens. Both I will show it for the these particular Fury screens only for the testing related purpose. Okay, testing related and configurations. Okay, and configurations. But see now, this is the Fury. Okay, Fury. Okay, directly web link only. So now this is a directly web link only. But most of the student what they learned learned are learning they are learning only with S4 HANA only. Just normal screen only. GUI screen means graphical user interface screen only they are learning. They are updating their skills on only HANA. But by the end of the course, you will get it with the fairy screens, okay, with the output also clearly output, and you can explain to the interviewer clearly these particular fairy screens. Okay, fairy screens. So now, this is the click on now. Okay, same business model. Okay, you can use the multiple screens with a normal GUI and as well as web GUI. You can use it. Web GUI. Web GUI. Okay, even experienced people also they are not working web GUI because of okay, some techno functional related knowledge they require. They maybe work with the only apps, but configuration they don't know what exactly the backend. Okay, linking. That linking, if they know, everyone can work. But that linking, they are not doing any system. For our student, I'm going to provide this particular how to link this particular one and this business partner here. Okay, once if I open here my apps, okay, home page apps, same app I will open through web link. Okay, through web link. These type of linking related knowledge you are going to learn with me in this particular course. That is only you can call Fieri. This is S4 HANA screens. This is Fieri screens. You can create here, you can test here, you can use it here. You can test and you can use here. Why means creation everything you can do it back end only. Creation everything compulsory you have to use here only. But here you can how to test, how to see that configurations in this one and how to deliver to the users that I am going to teach you in this course. This is about the okay. This is about the this particular.